Hi, 1 Hour Smart Home here, and today we're going to show you how to connect Vevo to Alexa. So all you're going to do is click on the Alexa app here. You're going to open this up and you're taken to the home screen. So you're going to click on the upper left, this settings menu, and then you're going to scroll down to the very bottom where it says settings and click on that. Okay, once you add Vevo to Alexa, it's going to allow you to play your Vevo music using Alexa voice commands. So that is why you would want to connect Vevo to Alexa. So you scroll down here and you can see these different settings. We're going to click on music and podcasts here, and that will pull up the different services. So I clicked on the wrong one there. You want to click on link a new service, this plus button right here. And that gives you options for all the different services that you can add to Alexa. So I'm just going to click on Vevo right here. And now all you need to do is click enable to use. Okay, so once you've connected Vevo, it will then start working with Alexa. So you can use the following commands: Alexa, play music videos, or Alexa, play music videos by Beyonce, and all these different commands. And they will work with the Echo Show or Echo Show 5 or any of the Alexa devices with a screen. So that is how you connect Vevo to Alexa. So we hope you enjoyed this video, and we will see you next time. Thank you.